I'm just keeping it, I'm just keeping it, I'm just keeping it real. Give them something, they give them something, they give them something, they feel. If you're tired of being stressed out and been depressed about it, you feel. We gon' let you know, we gon' let you know. I'm just.
How y'all doing? Now we're gonna make the tea. Okay, so first you want to prepare your water to make sure it's hot, which is getting there. All right, it's pretty much boiling. And then you want to have your cup, of course. You know what I mean? Of choice, you can actually use tea bag, but in here, right, we're gonna use this right here. I like to use these. Put my tea inside and let it, my loose tea, and let it sit here. So before we put that in there, we're going to take our honey. So you can get any honey you want. We're not going to be too, specific with this. Just get some honey. Make sure you can find something in that is at least raw. We want to go there. I do prefer unpasteurized honey, or local honey. But because we're dealing with, let me see, let me make sure I put that in there like that. So all we did was I put almost a tablespoon, not quite. And then we're going to open up, oh, this is difficult. Doing both hands. I guess I should have opened this up before I got started, but not too bad. So you see that? Got yourself like a half a tablespoon. You can use yourself agave honey, or you can use yourself regular honey. I prefer local honey or unpasteurized honey. And you just take yourself about 1 drop, okay, of rosemary. You can use 2 drops, but we're just gonna use 1 drop. Just don't go past 2 drops, pretty strong. And then you just stir. Pretty much I'm stirring it in here, getting that essential oil mixed real good. I know you don't really see it mixed like you want it to. Let me turn this off. Move this a little bit. There we go. But I'm just mixing. This right here is a simple way of getting your essential oil to blend with the water. Any essential oil that you use. You don't have to be that specific and deal with essential oils that are only edible from those companies that only want you to use those. I feel those are kind of watered down essential oils when you can use any essential oil and you can just throw it in water, throw it in juice, and you'll be fine. You want to get a strong potency of essential oils that you can, and that's what. And if you just infuse it with a carrier like oil or honey, it will infuse real good. It'll blend right in there. So you just have to understand things like that. But the one we want to deal with, it rosemary or thyme, oregano. Now, I think that there are 2 more, but these are the ones that are easy for you guys to find. So I want to make sure you're able to get it. We do, at Foresight's Life, do carry thyme and rosemary. Okay? Now that I got that, I'm going to go ahead and take my loose, you can put as much as your desire. Don't make it rocket science. It's not that big of a deal. So it's up to you how much you want to use. This is my tea, so I'm putting about, almost like if a tea bag will only give you like a tea bag. So just imagine if I had a tea bag, I'd probably put 2 tea bags in there. Boom. Put as much of that in there. And then usually these things right here come with a top. You can purchase these on Amazon. And then I just pretty much take this out, put it down. I could take some of this. I'll clean this up later. Just want you to get the understanding of this and whatnot. Move that to the side a little bit and whatnot. Don't make it too messy. And then we take our hot water and we pour over it. The good thing about these, just pour it to the top that it covers your tea, your loose tea. It's already dark. Oh, this is some good black tea right here. This is gonna be good. You just fill it up and just let it sit for a while. And the good thing about it is the essential oil is mixed with your sweetener. And that's how you make yourself a decent infused tea. And it ain't that much of a struggle. So I'll probably let that sit for a while. I'll stir some more. Might even add a little more honey depending on my taste. And that'll be it. So let's come back over here and complete this video. Okay, here is the same tea right here, you know. I'm gonna take this right here. Let it get its drain on a little bit. All right, like mine kind of strong. That's why I put that much black tea in mine. Okay, you can definitely use black tea bags, and that's definitely enough. Let me fold this a little bit here. Damaging my table. And now you just stir, check. If it's not enough sweetness for you, just add a little bit more. And that's probably, for me, it's more like a tablespoon and a half, you know. And that's it. It's not rocket science, but I wanted to make sure you understood how to pretty much just make yourself an infused tea. You can do that with any essential oil. Cinnamon essential oil, clove, oregano, thyme, any essential oil you want to use. So of course, if your preference is getting essential oils that are already with companies that are edible, then you really don't have to mix yours. But if you don't like it floating at the top, that's how you can do it. I just want to make sure that you understood how to mix an essential oil with the tea. So if you know anything about the benefits of black tea, but it's a powerful antioxidant. It has a few more other properties as well, where the black tea is very, very powerful. So when you mix it with something like rosemary, the reason why I wanted you to use rosemary, because rosemary and in the family of like oregano and thyme, I'll make sure I put the word down there below. It's kind of difficult to pronounce, but there it is. Help your body out tremendously if you get on top of it early. You can use green tea or black tea. And like I said, if you use oregano, thyme, or rosemary, this is very powerful. I know it's not your best, but keeping that in your system, I don't know for sure. So this is just my opinion. I don't really believe that it will correct any damage that might be already done, or some that might be done. But if you're concerned about that, I'm not a licensed medical doctor, but this is where we're at right now with some of our natural healers, with helping you and try to be on top of things, if you know what I'm saying. You see me struggling, y'all family, right? But I just want to make sure I leave you with things that the benefits of, did a video on rosemary, did a video on oregano, but I wanted to leave you with something in the benefits of black pepper, or you can use, black tea. You can use green tea and just make yourself, what you need to get through. And this is, I showed you in the beginning how to make it. This is powerful. Just want to give you a little something so you can share with your family members and loved ones, as well as for yourself. And this is very powerful. So take advantage of it with any essential oil, and especially this black tea and rosemary. And like I said, Mother Nature is your gift to help the living. Herbalist Kareem.